You know what? Go get some newspaper and get some paper that's easy to burn. Oh, brilliant.
No.
Go get
I'm
go
gonna
get
have to
paper.
call it a day with this campfire and go with the yeah.
Or cut storm kitchen. Cut storm kitchen.
All right.
Yeah.
I think we need to start off with these, and you're gonna eat at least one.
Oh my gosh, this freaking box is wet.
What box is wet?
This and the Lego Legos.
Ah, fuck, dude. Oh, you put ice in the bottom?
Yeah.
Didn't you learn from our vacation?
No.
Save the marshmallows. Save the marshmallows.
Marshmallows are safe.
Oh, no.
Hershey's as well. You don't care about the Hershey?
Look at that shit. Fuck you.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
It's my plate, really.
Fuck it. We'll both do small ones and we can fit like 4 each.
Oh my god. Look at this.
Ah.
Oh my. Oh, at least they're in a bag.
Yeah.
That's good.
So we may or may not have put those in for too long.
You know?
You can probably hear them.
You know what? Right there.
What the fuck? Oh, look at it. Look how fast it's smelling. Oh, that's gonna be nasty.
Oh my god. It's friggin'.
Alright, you got. Oh,
Put it on it.
you gotta eat that one because this one has already been touched and contaminated by the water.
How hot is the?
Anyways, leave it open. Idiot.
What the hell? It's a topping.
Oh, it's supposed to be hard.
I know. No, you son.
Stop.
Keep it.
I don't want this. I don't want it.
I don't care. Don't freaking put it on. But just for that, you have to. No, you're not gonna. You're not gonna.
Look at it. No, stop. Always beating me with an hit.
I just beat you with a waffle.
This is. Oh, never mind. That's a chocolate chip. Wait, it smells weird. Smell it. Smell it. God damn it.
I will freaking cut your face.
Alright. Putting out graham crackers. Ew!
Keeping the waffle. Alright, I got the same thing done to mine. He's being a little bitch. He doesn't want to eat this. You have to eat this. You have to eat this. Or else I will...
Did you eat yours yet?
No, not yet. I'm waiting for you to eat yours. Okay. Dude. Oh my gosh. Ugh. No!
Smacked you in the face.
Ugh. Ugh. Oh. It went over there.
Oh, it's a
Oh, jeez.
Open up the trash can, I'm gonna try and make it in.
Oh my god. Alright. Alright. Catch that filthy ass thing. Alright, so. Okay. Alright, ready? Alright. Let's see. Alright, try that again. Oh, brilliant.
The noises it makes when it...
Oh. Alright, one more try. One more try. Oh, man, this video is just wonderful. Okay, you lose.
Maybe I should go a little bit
You know what
closer.
that means? You know what that means?
That's fucked up.
Damn, I had to. This is turning it from camping disaster into Waffle War. Yeah, that's
get 2 videos.
Seriously? Oh my god. Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Let's close the door on that. Never look back. What the fuck is this shit, dude?
You spilt it. Hang on,
I
let me.
found that out earlier.
Yeah, I can't get it clear. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Forget what is that shit? What'd you do? What'd you do? Okay.
It's fucking hot in here too. What the hell?
Okay, so this was quite an interesting camping adventure, Waffle War kind of thing. So obviously it was a disaster. We failed at everything, making a fire.
Cat.
Yeah, there's Calvin. 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 Alright, Calvin. Okay, anyway. So, yeah.
Hang on. Do we
Yeah.
have...
Oh god, what is he doing?
Remember.
What was that?
Remember.
Potato?
Remember.
What?
Official Studios.
Oh, teaser, people.
Official Studios.
Official.
Studios. Official Studios. We're gonna have a hell of a time cleaning this up.
Hell yeah. Anything else to say? Ah, no, that's the freaking...
That was supposed to be a cool little ending shot.